Welcome back, creative minds. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of text-to-image generation and exploring the basic formula prompt design. If you've ever wondered how platforms like Midjourney or Adobe Firefly create stunning visuals from simple prompts, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll break down the key elements of a winning formula for generating images from text prompts. Stick around until the end because we'll also show you a real-life example formula in action. Let's get started. Alright, let's start with the basics. The formula for text-to-image generation typically consists of four main components: an adjective, a noun, a verb, and a style. The first element of our formula is the adjective. This word sets the mood and overall vibe of the image. For example, it could be mysterious, vibrant, whimsical, or surreal. Think of the adjective as the emotional context for your image. It guides the AI in understanding what kind of atmosphere you want to create. Next up, we have the noun, which serves as the main subject of your image. This can be anything you can imagine, from unicorn to cityscape or ocean wave to galaxy. The noun is the central focus of your image, and it's what the AI will generate based on your prompt. Now, let's talk about the verb. This action word tells the AI what the subject should be doing. Is it flying, dancing, exploding, or melting? The verb adds dynamism to your image, giving it movement and purpose. Last but not least, we have the style. This is where you can get creative and specify the visual aesthetics of your image. You can choose a style like oil painting, cartoon, pixel art, or watercolor. The style transforms the way your image looks, from its colors and textures to its overall artistic vibe. Now, let's put it all together with an example formula: ethereal forest illuminating watercolor. Using this formula, the AI would generate an enchanting image of a forest, bathed in an ethereal light, rendered in a captivating watercolor style. And there you have it, the basic formula for prompt design in text-to-image generation. Feel free to experiment with different combinations of adjectives, nouns, verbs, and styles to create your own unique visuals. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more exciting tutorials on AI-powered creativity. Have a formula or idea you'd like us to try? Leave it in the comments below. Until next time, keep creating and stay inspired.